More homeowners are choosing Tech Realty Rentals because they want a better property management experience.
Better communication, reliable support, and a team that truly cares about their investment. At Tech Realty Rentals, we understand that your rental property is one of your biggest investments. Our goal is to protect your home and help you achieve long-term success. Homeowners choose us because they want a management company that listens, responds, and keeps them informed every step of the way. Our team manages every part of the rental process, including property marketing, tenant screening, leasing, inspections, maintenance coordination, and ongoing support. We focus on placing qualified residents through a thorough screening process designed to help protect your property and reduce future issues. Through regular inspections, trusted vendors, and organized maintenance solutions, we help keep your property in great condition. We combine technology and experience to provide homeowners with transparency while our team handles the daily responsibilities. Our knowledge of the local rental market helps us make informed decisions to support homeowners and their properties. That's why homeowners are choosing Tech Realty Rentals LLC, a team focused on communication, care, and results. Let us handle the details while you enjoy stress-free rental ownership. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to being your trusted property management partner.